Have you ever woke up in the morning after a long night's sleep, the heater's running all night and you're nice and cozy in your bed, and when you wake up you have such a headache? That could be carbon monoxide poisoning. And carbon monoxide is a silent killer. If you notice you have a headache, you get dizzy, that type of thing, carbon monoxide could be happening in your home. One of the best ways to prevent that is calling us for a combustion analysis. So we take a machine, stick it in the flue pipe of your furnace, and it gives a breakdown of how much oxygen, how much carbon monoxide, how much carbon dioxide, the stack temperature, all those things. We're able to determine whether or not your furnace is burning at the efficiency that it needs to. Also, one of the safety features that you should use in your home is obviously a fire alarm and carbon monoxide detector. I recommend that you use a low-level carbon monoxide detector. Some of the carbon monoxide detectors that you can purchase will not go off until it's at that 500 parts per million level. Once you get there, you're already experiencing headache, fatigue, dizziness, that type of thing, and so it's already at a dangerous level. Make sure when you purchase the carbon monoxide detector, it's a low-level carbon monoxide detector. That way it'll start alerting you when the carbon monoxide levels are at 10 parts per million. You're not experiencing any of the symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning. At Service Wizards, we offer carbon monoxide detectors. We'll test your fire alarms and your carbon monoxide detectors when we come out and do one of our fall checks for you. So make sure you sign up on a maintenance agreement with us. If you need any problems resolved, be sure to call Service Wizards at 918-400-4444.